Hello everybody, Jill Trainer here, designer from Hungry Bear Quilts. In this video I will show you how to work with templates in my pattern Marvelous Monkeys. So here's Marvelous Monkeys. This pattern uses several templates, one for the back and one for the background. They are called piece templates used to create this curved seam, and they include a 1/4 inch seam allowance. The pattern uses applique templates for the leg, tail, and face. These templates don't have a seam allowance. In this video, I will show you how to cut out templates for fabrics 7 and 8 in the pattern. We will cut out the pieces to make this block, the leg for this block, and this block. To join the two parts of the large templates, here we have the monkey's back, make sure you have parts of the same template. Place the edge that says place this edge along the dotted line and tape it. Template TE is used face up and template TF is used face down. The template will appear as a mirror image in the finished piece. This is a piece template, so place it on the wrong side of the fabric and cut. This is how it will appear in the finished work. This is how the small monkey's back will appear in the finished work. Table 3 shows which templates to use for the monkey's backs for each fabric. For fabric 7, we will need template TH, and for fabric 8, we will need template TE. To prepare the applique templates, trace the template onto a double-sided fusible such as heat and bond or steam-a-seam. Trace the template on the paper side of the fusible. Label the templates before cutting them out. For the leg pieces, write the label close to the edge. We'll see why. To make this step efficient, you can trace and cut out all the templates at once. Here are the templates needed for the small monkeys. You will also have a set for the large monkeys. Be sure to label each template before you cut them out. Cut out the blocks. These are the templates we will use to cut fabrics 7 and 8. Cut out the interior of the leg templates to reduce bulk, leaving about 1/2 inch all the way around. Be sure the label is still visible. Use Table 3 as a guide to cutting the fabrics used for the monkey's bodies, the backs, legs, and tails. We cut the backs in a previous step. For fabric 7, you will need templates TI and TP. I'm really glad I labeled each template. Place them on the wrong side of the fabric with the adhesive side down. For fabric 8, you will need templates TK, TL, and TM. Iron them to the wrong side of the fabric using the instructions that came with the fusible you're using. For heat and bond featherlight, I will press for 2 seconds. Cut out the fabric along the outlines of the templates. This is raw edge applique, so there are no seam allowances. Important, do not cut around the interior lines of the leg applique pieces. The right side of the pieces are mirror images of the templates. Remove the paper from the applique pieces and place them with the adhesive side down on the right side of the work. Iron the pieces in place using the instructions that came with the fusible you are using. For heat and bond featherlight, I will press for 4 to 6 seconds. The large and small monkey blocks are now complete. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial on using templates in the Marvelous Monkeys pattern. Visit Hungry Bear Quilts to see my other patterns. Here's a sneak peek at my next pattern, Welcoming Committee.